What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I have the Arrma RTR EXB 8. I ain't doing nothing special today but running up at my usual park because I see I got a lot of obstacles out here to do today. So without any further ado, get into it. Let's go! We're gonna start off with the dirt here and let's see how it handles. I ain't really worried about that guy. On top of that, like it wasn't even existing. We want to go back here and tear it up. I see another dirt pile. This car gonna be dirty as hell when I'm done. Is gonna turn into a dirt disaster. I don't mind the dust, but this is a little too much. 1 minute is too dry. I mean wet. Oh yeah, that's high. That's very high. Actually, they changed the ramps I had, the jumps I had before. Oh my God, if they moved them green things, look at that launch right there. Oh, for what we got out there already. Yeah, this is just off. My mouth. Yeah, that would be a nice little jump off. Almost tempted to move it. Let's see right here. Can I get the oh God. See this? I'm gonna come off wrong. Let me see. Let's think about that pile. See right here. Let's see. There go the main jump. Yeah, I was killing it on this little rock pile. And this thing is a lot faster, a lot stronger than the car I had up here previously. So I was running my Corrali on 4X. So you figure now I'm running on 8. I'm kind of nervous. Perfect. Perfect. See how high I can look. They got a nice deep there. thing about these cars, man, you gotta learn that air control. Braking and gassing.
Falcon punch!
I came off wrong. I could not straighten that out. Like the shot collapsed in the background. It literally broke the battery. Yeah, it launched the battery. That's why my batteries be so beat. It broke that battery all up. See nobody around with this? Perfect. Lost all sight of it. See, I can't see. I can't see if I go behind it. I don't want this thing to hit me in the face. I could have put more input. Perfect.
Yo, check this out.
As I was saying, this is actually, I'm repeating myself. The Outcast is like a hand, like a controlled, very well controlled in the air, but you can backflip it with no problem. Whoa, I kind of like it, man. You know, a rock hit me in my chest, but. Perfect.
Falcon punch!
Supreme victory. Damn, son, where'd you find this?
See that neck kick is not going to happen. It's still fine. The body taking a lot of. Oh, what is biting me? There was something attacking me over here. Yo, you gotta be broke. I'm a tough. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna let it cool down for a little while. This thing is filthy. Yeah, it's real dry and dusty up here, so it's... Whoa. This thing is a pure beast, man. Whether it's flying in the air. Why is it doing that? What I want to do, I want to jump off there, see how far out I can come. I'm gonna let this cool off because this thing most likely is hot after all of that. And plus I gotta wipe all this stuff out. Perfect. That's out of my face. And we went to LVC. Oh no, get back to the car. Nah, stop bashing off them batteries. I think I probably may have blew the cells in one of them batteries because how it came loose. Perfect. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give you a damage report on the, what is this car? On the Outcast, That's why I'm doing the Outcast video. So the damage report on this car is 0. A little wobbly up front. Yeah, I gotta tighten that. A little wobbly right there. Gotta adjust the pivot balls, make it a little tight on there. Other than that, everything held out. Pinion's still in there, good. Everything cool. Yeah, but she survived the construction up here. Everything's just fine. I wanted to keep going, but kicked in the LVC. I got extra batteries, but I think I'm gonna call it a day. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. More coming soon, and I'm out.